everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Friends, I hope that you are having a beautiful and blessed day. You guys, I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday and they have an awesome deal, and I wanted to share it with you guys since we are in our wedding series. So let's get started in this video for today. So we got these his and her floating candles. They come 6 to a pack. And yes, honey, they are $2.49. Look at there. We have the ivory and we also have the silver. So we have more packs than this. I'm just showing you guys like, you know, 1 pack per item. But these are so gorgeous. We do a Passover event like every year. And I think this will be absolutely gorgeous for the event that we're doing this year. It's going to be stunning. Now we got these card placeholders for $2.49 a piece. These are great to have on hand too. So if you're like starting up a business in the wedding decor, you know, this is a great time to start stocking up on your items. And these are, they come 4 to a pack and they regular price $9.99. And they're going for $2.49. This is a great deal. Oh, I'm excited. We picked up these gemstones and they're from the Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. Now they have their 50% on this particular brand, and these are the ones that does have the adhesive backing. So this is beautiful, and it says diamond with pearl brooch. So these are gorgeous, especially with our wedding decor series we have going on. We're going to have a fun time. This is so cute. You guys know I had to get it. First of all, because it says love, and you know I love love. And I want you all to see the regular price of this baby. $15.99, gone for $1.60. You know, your girl had to grab it. And we'll be going back for more. Okay, friends, so I want you to take a good look at this. Look at it. I know it is so abused. Look at that. They have abused this beautiful thing. Now here's the other side of it. It's going to be my left hand side facing. This is the left side of it. I just want you guys to see what it looks like right now before we do anything to this in our series. It's supposed to be the door entrance. It has no glass in it or whatever. It's just, but that is okay. We are going to just have fun with this one. And I'm going to show you the price that they let it go for. They are letting it go for $6.24. Regular price $25. I haven't dusted off or anything. I just want you guys to see it as it is. So, woo! I am so excited about this one, and special shout out to Tish Bullard because she gave some great advice when I was getting some other lanterns before. Like when it comes down to prices like this, it's better to go ahead on and just grab it, you know, instead of just trying to DIY it, because you can save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of your sanity. So thank you so much, Tish. I will have her information down below. She's also a wedding planner as well. She does events. She does specialized items. I mean, she's absolutely stunning. So you guys check Tish out so that I sent you and show her some love. So that is it for today's video, everyone. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I found at Hobby Lobby and Michael's as well. So when we shoot that video on Monday, I want you to be like, well, Tisha, I don't remember that from last Monday. So I hope you guys have a beautiful week. All right, everyone, and blessings to each and every last one of you abundantly.